My name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we'll bring you another Chi Sao segment from the white crane system. Again, this will be used for self-defense. But before we get there, I need you to go over the boxes. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
So let's explore some white crane. The first essence we're going to do is called knocking. Not bowing, but knocking. You see this in the Chin-Ai exercises we've worked on previously. So here we're going to work with either somebody trying to grab at you or people who take their stances and they keep their hands exposed and up. Keith, please. So here what I want to do, and it's moving in quickly, you can start cross or parallel, it doesn't matter. But from here what I want to do is hold your guards out. I want to step to, and look, I'm stepping to the outside of my opponent, okay? So as I do it, I'm seizing the hand from here. So whether you grab 4 fingers, 3 fingers, 2, it doesn't really matter. Also notice as I'm stepping, I'm moving away from this arm so I cannot get hit. Okay, now the essence to what we're doing here is you want to make sure you grab above these knuckles. You know, this is going to inhibit your grab. So from here, I'm going to grab these knuckles and I'm going to turn this and drive this into my opponent. Another key component is I want to make sure his elbow is down and it's low. So here's this motion. So coming through, grab, and here's the bowing, bringing him down, and you can just drop him down to one knee if you choose. The other aspect is once I've created distance from here, I can either support this for an extra grip, or once I have him controlled, this is a good way you can start to work your Buji strikes, your side palms, your Phoenix eyes. They're good for knockout strikes, okay? So we had talked earlier with the other Chin-Ai exercises that Chin-Ai is not just manipulating bone, muscle, but also cavity presses. And here in this case, the cavity presses are attacking pressure points. All right, so let's take it one more time. I'm gonna come up, grab, knock from here, and then I can strike or strike. That's the first knocking exercise. Let's move on to another aspect of this. So we started with a standing control and a strike. There comes a point where you might have to bring somebody down just for a position of control. So we're going to start the same. We're going to come in and I'm going to take this strike and pull. All right, so remember, coming across, here's your knocking, and right from here is where I'm going to squat and lead him down into the ground from here. I'm going to use my knee for control here at his elbow, and here's a good area for a strike. Any one of these are good knockout strikes. All right, let's take it one more time. Coming through, seize the hand from here, take the knock. All right, notice the angle here, and I'm going to squat down and bring him down, lock him up, and strike. That's just taking it to the next area. You have all these pressure points, and my knee controls him from moving his arm. Variation number 1. So the next variation here to the same technique is being able to put more pressure on the tendons, and it's a good walking technique. So we're starting the same. We're going to step off the line for the control here. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work the knocking, and once I have it, I'm going to slide my arm under his elbow. I'm going to drive his elbow into his fingers. Okay? Coming in and through. Start to lead him, and I'm going to take this and drive the elbow into his fingers. One more. Come in and through. Make sure you're above. Knock, and this is coming in to this range as I bend and drive him in. Second variation.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.